clouds drift high, thoughts like breezes whisper by, endless waves of a calm blue sky, where dreams take wings and learn to fly. Gentle echoes of time's embrace, each shadow finds its quiet space. In the flow of light, a tender trace binds the soul to this serene place. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling free. In the silence you will see the harmony of you and me. The stars align, they softly hum, telling secrets of where we're from. In the quiet, our hearts succumb to a rhythm eternal as the drum. Glimmers dance on the ocean's crest, nature hums her song, no quest, a lullaby to draw in rest, where weary wanderers do invest. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling free. In the silence you will see the harmony of you and me. Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name, crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet, crowds moving like a heartbeat, skipping stones in city streams we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Every spark in their voices shows